show you guys a good view of what I'm leaving the backyard with. A beautiful pumpkin. Look at this. Guys, welcome to the backyard where I grew up. Oh my gosh. So the first thing I want to show you guys is look at this banana tree. This is literally in my backyard, my former backyard where I grew up. Yeah, so there were growing up there wasn't so many banana trees back here. We have all these banana trees now, but there wasn't so many. It was like a few banana trees. Is this the soursop? This is the not soursop, this is sweet sop. Yeah, so this is sweet sop tree. So can you see the sweet sop up there? I don't know. And then this is like a aloe vera plant. But I remember clearly that there's a tamarind tree used to be here when I was in middle school and high school. A tamarind tree used to be literally right here. It's gone now. I don't know, like it was cut down or something. But there's a tamarind tree here. Now we have aloe vera. This looks like a little mango tree. Maybe my cousin or uncle planted this. But now we have so many banana trees here. It's like a banana field in the backyard. Yes. So this passageway, right? This passageway is where I used to take every single day. This is maybe like an old coop or something. I used to take this everywhere. And this is like my favorite mango tree. Every evening when I get home from school, I would climb this mango tree and get a mango every single evening, especially in the summertime, because it wasn't even like, yeah, it's mostly in the summertime, but also I think like in May, maybe in May we will still have a lot of mango. May, June, we would still have a lot of mango, but I would come back here every single day and climb this tree. See, the mango was like, for those who know like East Indian mango, it wasn't like East Indian, it was like, it's like a bastard East Indian. So like we call a mango bastard if it's not like the straight mango, but it looks like it. So it's like a bastard East Indian. It was so good. It was really, really sweet. I would literally get one every day when mango is in season. And I would climb it. And if there was like a green lizard, for those who know, you know, there's like a green lizard on the tree that I saw before, I wouldn't climb. I would get a stick and I would literally pick the mango from here and eat. But if I didn't see a green lizard, you betcha I was gonna climb this tree. This one, I was gonna climb it. So it's like a woodland back here now. Like nothing is going on except banana trees. Yeah. So there's like a gully and there was a river back there when I was here. It was a river, especially if there was a hurricane or like a major storm, like the river would flow. I don't know. I have to ask my dad if we still have. Oh, there's a house back there now. Oh, wow. I don't know if the path for the river is still there. Maybe I'll ask my dad. But yeah, there used to be a river, and when there was a storm or anything, you know, like it rains a lot, we would go down and bathe in the river. Yeah. So it's just a lot of old stuff, but I was intrigued by the banana on the tree. We have a lot more neighbors now than before. But yeah, this is I wanted to show you guys the mango tree that I used to climb every day. My grandmother used to be so afraid. She'd be like, don't climb. I used to climb the breadfruit tree too. The breadfruit trees are all broken down now, but I used to climb the breadfruit tree. And she'd be like, lap the tree, mind you fall. But I was such a tomboy. I was good at climbing. Yeah, I would just climb up this limb here. See, now they put something to climb. You can actually step on that. But back in the days, I never used to have anything. I would jump up on that limb, that first limb, and then kind of climb my way up. Yeah, that's it. So this is like in the back of her yard. Like it's like a woodland now, because no one is really back here. But yeah, those were the fun days as a kid growing up. Oh my God. Any girls out there that are a girly girl, but you used to be like a climber? Tell me in the comments. Did you climb any breadfruit tree, mango trees? What else? Which other trees? I won't even talk about the coconut tree, the jelly tree, because we had a little short one back here and I did climb it once. I didn't never ever make it up there again. But coconut trees are hard to climb. I can't. But the mango trees, oh, climb that every day. And breadfruit tree. Yeah. So this is just a little vlog of like the fruits that we have in the yard, in the backyard in Jamaica. Yeah. What is this? Cherry tree, yes, sir? There's a big cherry tree over there, sir. When you came here, Fabian, it was still there? Oh, I see. Yeah, this looks like a little mini cherry tree, but we had a big one over there. And now they kind of break it down to build an extra apartment. My cousin was telling me. But yeah, we had a big cherry tree. We had so much peppermint. My grandmother like take really good care of the peppermint plants. Like we had like by our window, we had by the pipe side. And then when my grandmother died, they just literally like went down with her slowly. But that was my favorite tea. Like when the other kids were drinking like Milo tea in Jamaica, I was drinking fresh peppermint tea every single morning. Fresh peppermint tea and Cersei. I don't see any Cersei. Sorry, I'm going off tandem. I'm just like, is there Cersei here still, Fabian? All over the fence? Oh, I wonder if we can find some. I used to drink Cersei all the time. Let me see. I don't see any right now. My cousin said there's some out here. I don't see any. I'm gonna look by the fence. But I used to drink peppermint and Cersei every morning, or peppermint this morning, Cersei the next morning. Oh my God, that was my jam. I was not drinking the Milo tea. Peppermint every day and Cersei. So I'm gonna look if I find a Cersei plant for you guys. So I found some Cersei plant. Oh my God. So yeah, so now I can show you exactly what I've been talking about. So this is a Cersei. I'm gonna pick some. So my neighbor said pick the ones from the top because at least we know those are clean, and the dogs that walk around, they won't like pee on these because they're so high up. So yeah, it comes with a bud. Like sometimes these flowers turn into like a little plant, a little fruit. People eat the fruit from the Cersei or no? Yeah, some people eat it, right? Yeah. I couldn't remember. Yeah. I think people eat the plant. I don't see any right here. But there's the leaf, and then it just turned into oh look, there's like a little seed in here. So this turned into like a big fruit, like about this big, and then people eat it. I don't recall eating it, so I don't know what to say it tastes like. Look at this shell right here. Oh boy. So this is like nature, like ugh. So I'm picking off the Cersei. Like this, I'm just literally picking this. I'm gonna make this now. I'm gonna boil this and drink this. So my uncle and my dad would be like, this is medicine. Everything from earth is like medicine for them. Like, well, I kind of agree. So this is, yeah, trying to not pick the bush. You see the bush is entangled in there. Yep, that's it. That's it. I don't know what else is here, so I could show you guys. What other fruit, any other fruits or something back here? I see the pumpkin already. Took my Cersei.
Pumpkin I get from the garden.
Yeah, look at what my cousin just found. You see, I was saying there was no pumpkin. He's over there like looking for more pumpkin. We literally just found this pumpkin. He picked it. Look, it's fresh from the earth. I'm like way excited. Like he's looking for more over there. But look at what we just found. Oh, oh my God, I can't even take it up. It's so heavy. Ugh. Rats eat them? Look at this. I bet you this is so good. Dry and sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God.
I'm gonna find them pantai rat eat.
Yeah, you have to come search for them. Blouse and skirt. Look at that. Wow. Nice. We can eat pumpkin. Yeah. I saw the banana already. There's no like sweet sop or sour sop? Yeah, I actually did saw that. But one, but not sour sop not up on it? No, okay. It young, okay. Yeah, the sweet sop. There was one, but it's all the way in the top. Show you guys a good view of what I'm leaving the backyard with. A beautiful pumpkin. Look at this. And Cersei. So I'm gonna eat pumpkin Cersei with some ackee and salt. Well, ackee and saltfish. Cersei tea. Oh my God. I can't believe. Look, you see what I'm telling you guys? You could live in Jamaica peacefully because you could literally eat from your backyard, right? Yes, yes, yes. Look, the cherry tree is actually still. I looked at the sweet sop tree and didn't see that a piece of the cherry tree is kind of intertwined here. I thought the cherry tree was cut down fully, but it wasn't. This was like my favorite. This tree bears so much cherry every single year, but there's a piece. So this is the leaf of the cherry tree, and this is the leaf of the sweet sop tree. But they're just like so close. They're like really close together. They're keeping each other's company. Look, like the trees are intertwined. That's why I got it mixed up and thought the cherry tree was dead, but they're just intertwined there. Yeah. So this is like a pumpkin. I think it's like a pumpkin vine. It's literally growing in the bushes. Like, I don't see any pumpkin, but the vine is growing in the bushes. And then they're just gonna come pick pumpkin. Like, you just have food all over. Don't have to buy any food. So that's the beauty about living here in Jamaica. You can look at all this land. Like, they could literally farm this land and just live off what they plant from here. There's so much space in the back. This is not even like where our house is. This is like behind where the houses are. And look at this. There's so much land just to farm and just, yeah, can plant yam, can plant banana, can plant like potatoes, and just live off of what you plant. Ackee trees always here. You can like make a meal from the earth without going to the shop. That's really cool. Really, really cool. Well, thank you guys for watching my little mini backyard vlog. It's just so cool to be back here. Even though it's a lot of bush, it's like so cool to be back here because I just remember this so vividly. Just hanging out back here, playing. I used to play dolly house. I literally made up like a little baby house. We called dolly house when I was a kid. Okay, this is where I grew up. Like, probably didn't say the full story, but like this is where my grandmother lived, and I lived with her for many, many years. I think I was 9 when I moved to live with my grandmother, and those are like really, really good years. Really, really good years. I love her so much. Love my grandmother, even though she's not here with me. I just visit her grave. Her grave is like in this yard too. I just visited her grave, and I love her so much. So yeah, so this is where all my childhood memory is, and yeah, just so nostalgic to be back here. Yeah, so anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my little mini backyard vlog, and I hope you enjoy. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit higher,
That's enough videos.